Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will answer the question: does your headphones JBL Live Flex 3 support wireless charging? And my short answer is yes, it supports. I testing it with a wireless charging station, and we can see a LED light on the charging case. You can't, but I can. But you can see this LED light on a wireless charging station. So it means that it's charging, and also you can choose reverse charging station charging from your phone, and it also works. Like I can see a LED light here, so it means that it's charging. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.